Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device, and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter account section, tap add account, and then select Google. Of course, you will need internet connection to add a Google account. So next, what you have to do is to enter your email number or phone number here. Email address or phone number. So let's enter our email and tap next. Next, you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, what you will have to do is to tap accept here. An account will be added. If you want to delete this account, just select it here and then tap remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.